This is an Excel add-in meant to store custom functions, VBA. It runs in the background. You won't see a spreadsheet when you open it. It just adds new buttons or formulas to your existing Excel. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install it. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated XLAM file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. XLAM files are Microsoft Excel macro-enabled add-in files containing VBA macros, custom functions, ribbon customizations, and automation tools that extend Excel's built-in capabilities. They load automatically with Excel, providing additional functions, toolbar buttons, and features across all workbooks without modifying individual spreadsheet files. XLAM files use the Office Open XML format with ZIP-compressed XML parts and a vbaProject.bin containing compiled VBA code. They differ from XLSM workbooks in that they load as background add-ins rather than visible documents. Custom functions defined in XLAM files become available as worksheet functions in all open workbooks. The standard opener for XLAM is known to be Microsoft Excel, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows offers limited recognition, so understanding these files depends on the associated application. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your XLAM file and select Open With. If Microsoft Excel is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. When your XLAM file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, installing the add-in. In Microsoft Excel, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. Click Go next to Manage Excel. Add-ins. Click Browse and navigate to the XLAM file. Check the box next to the add-in name and click OK. The add-in loads and its functions and toolbar elements become available immediately in your Excel environment. Next, using add-in functions. After installation, custom functions from the XLAM add-in appear in Excel's function library. Use them in formulas like any built-in function. Custom ribbon tabs or toolbar buttons appear automatically if the add-in includes UI customization. Access add-in features through these interface elements during normal spreadsheet work. Finally, troubleshooting add-in issues. If an XLAM add-in fails to load, check that macros are enabled in Excel's Trust Center settings. Verify the file is not blocked by right-clicking the XLAM file, selecting Properties, and clicking Unblock if present. Move the XLAM to a trusted location configured in Excel's Trust Center to prevent security prompts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit vbaProject.bin for more info. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.